I was one of those skeptics. I really was. I was a person who said, I really don't understand how a couple of needles can really cure pain or can really help to make that pain go away. I have suffered sciatic pain for quite some time, and I had it started in my SI joint, and it would shoot straight down my leg into my ankle. So it left me not quite debilitated, but in a way that I could not keep up with my 2-year-old son, which is important, nor could I really focus on my work because I was so focused on the pain. So I went to a chiropractor, I went through physical therapy, and it provided temporary relief. And when I say temporarily, like a week, and it was back to the pain again. So then I met Gail, and she said, you need to come in and do acupuncture. And I had been a fan of acupuncture for other things, for stress management and pain relief. Do not ask me why I didn't think to do it for this. I felt that for sciatic pain, that it was more of an alignment in my body and that a chiro would be really the best person to see. It actually, as she's putting the needles in, I really don't feel anything. I think if you're a visual person as I am, that to me is where the fear kicks in, if you do have a fear of needles, which I do. And watching it is completely separate from what's actually happening. Because as I'm looking at it, I'm going, oh my gosh, this is gonna hurt, I'm freaking out. But then I have to do a double take, and I'm looking at it, and she's already has, 6 or 7 needles in me, and I'm going, okay, I really can't feel anything. And it's so benign that when I went to lay down on the bed, she said, oh, wait, put your hand up on your chest so you don't knock into the needles because you forget that they're there. But when I came to Gail, I did one treatment, and I can't even put into words how great I feel. As a matter of fact, the following week, I ended up doing a gym class with a friend of mine, and it turned out to be what I thought was just a regular barbell training course. Really turned out to be an aerobic kickboxing strengthening course with dumbbells. So we did a lot of dancing, a lot of working out, a lot of side kicks on that leg, and I was just amazed that I could actually get through it an hour of that, only to go back the next day and do an hour of Zumba. And again, I know I need to come back, I can still feel slight pain, but when I came to Gail, it was like, okay, I'm here, do something, anything, amputation, I don't care, And now though, when I feel the pain, it's a secondary thought. I'm like, oh, I might pick up my son or I might lift something, and I'm like, oh, that kind of hurt, versus the pain is so bad, it's all I can think about. So I really think it's something that you have nothing to lose and you have everything to gain.